How to make a collab post on Instagram. Instagram has a feature that lets you collaborate with other creators. This allows you to share content on both your profile and theirs, making it visible to both sets of followers. To create a collab post, open the Instagram app. You can do this with either a post or a reel. For this example, I'll use a reel. Swipe right to open the camera and record your reel. You can also upload a pre-recorded video. After recording, tap Next at the bottom right. Then tap Next again. Now go through the usual steps, adding effects, music, or captions. Once you're ready to publish, tap Tag People. Here, you'll see an option to Invite Collaborator. Tap on that and search for the person you want to invite. Select their username and tap Done. At this stage, the person is invited, but the collaboration isn't official yet. They need to accept the invitation. Once they do, the post will appear on both your profile and theirs, showing that it's a collaboration. Keep in mind that only the original creator has full control over the content. The collaborator can't edit or modify the video. They are simply tagged in the post, allowing their followers to see it as well. This is a great way to reach a wider audience by sharing content between two accounts. That's how to make a collab post on Instagram.